First, go to the official Chase website and enter the necessary information to sign in. Once you are logged in, you should see your account dashboard. At the top, click on Pay and Transfer. A menu will appear below it. So go ahead and click Wires and Global Transfers. On the next page, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then click the Next button. Before adding a new recipient and activation code, you can receive this code via text message or voice message. So choose your preferred option and tap Next once you receive it. After verification, you can add a new recipient. Start by selecting the recipient's country under the bank country. Then click Next and fill in all the required details such as the bank routing number, bank name, address, city, state, zip code, and any other necessary information. When finished, click Next again, review all the details, and then click Add Recipient. Now go ahead and click Schedule Wire. Fill in the required information for your transfer, then tap Next. Review the information once again to make sure everything is correct, and finally tap Schedule Wire. And that's it.